Ready, start. Dear Sir, paragraph. We are in receipt of your letter of 21st April inquiring the terms and conditions for our sole agency. In reply, we would like to make the following offer to you are our sole agents in your town. Para on all cash transactions we would allow you 20% commission and on running accounts it would be 10% of course if an account be paid within 25 days from date of transaction we may be able to allow a commission, say, at the rate of 15%. But after the expiry of that time, it would not be possible for us to allow you more than 10%. All goods will be sent direct to you in cases and it should be checked up with our invoices. If you find that and mistakes have been committed as to the quantity or the quality of the materials received by you, kingly let us know as early as you possibly can. On receiving your complaint, we shall at once dispatch duplicate goods to you and take up the matter with our packets. The empty cases must be returned to us as early as possible, which can be put to constant use. Please send these cases carriage forward. Para with regard to the advertising matter, if you decide to take up our agency, we shall forward a few pamphlets and price lists of our goods bearing your name and address. We trust you will be able to dispose of these to our mutual benefit. We shall also send you some show cards for displaying in your windows. Para, in case the above details are not sufficient, please let us know at your earliest convenience. Now you are requested to go through this letter and arrange to send your reply as early as possible so as to enable us to decide to accept the agency. Regards, yours sincerely, Stop.